Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to thank everybody for coming back. I also wanted to thank all the new subscribers for coming to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. If you could do me a favor and give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, that'd be greatly appreciated, and it really helps my channel out, so thank you. I wanted to kind of talk a little bit how I identify youngsters that I put in a loft after the other one's been in here a while. So as you can see here, everybody else in here is a lot bigger than this little guy here. So I actually put like an orange snap band on him. He's got a red band on him like this guy does here. Okay. But anyways, I put an orange snap band on him. That helps me remind me to keep an eye on that particular bird. And a few other ones that I put in here. I put 7 more youngsters in here yesterday. So it helps me keep a closer eye on them ones. So if I see something kind of abnormal with them, it helps me keep an eye on them. That way it helps identify which ones are the youngest ones in the loft. I have several different colors bands. I have orange ones, white ones, purple ones, red ones, blue ones, pink ones. Of course, blue and pink are for the male and female. That's how I identify my males and females. So it makes it a little much easier for me to tell apart. So not everybody does that, but that's just my little way to help things. So figured help you, give you a little helpful hint there, and help to identify your youngsters, to keep a closer eye on them, because sometimes when you get so many youngsters in the loft, it's hard to keep an eye on everybody. So but anyways, like I said, just wanted to give a little helpful hint and how I keep track of my youngsters, and better way to doing things. So but anyways, today is actually 40 degrees outside. Plenty warm enough to give them a bath. So I went through and give a bath and took a little video of it, so that way you guys can see me giving a little bath and how they enjoy it. So anyways, I hope you like it, and please like, share, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. There you go. Now you can see a little better. It's warm enough today. Give them a little bath. They'll be happier than heck from me. So they got a little scared because I opened the door. I tried to do it the other way, and I couldn't see them very good. So but as you can see here, now they don't care. Bath time, guys. Yeah, come on out, guys. It's bath time. I know. I talked to you guys, didn't I? Daddy scared you. See, when I try to do it here through here, you can't see them very good. So that's why I went through the door, so you guys can see them better. Bath time today. It's plenty warm enough out here for them. I added. Give birds a bath. Let them enjoy life a little bit. They like to get clean. It's been a while since they've been able to have a bath because it's been way too cold here. So I figured I'd let you watch them have a little bath and go from there. So